Welcome to my collection of smart criteria for meal prep dishes. Learn the secrets to quick, easy, and healthy meals packed with flavor. Let's look at today's criteria.
Hi! Okay, here is tip number 3. Tip number 3 is texture. Yes, that is really important for your meal prep because if something doesn't really keep the texture, it might be pretty hard to reheat, or the texture changes, maybe it becomes a little bit slimy after a while, or if you freeze something and then you thaw it, the texture might change again. So, when you're doing no-fuss meal prep, check out for the texture. Look for something, what we talked about day 1, that you really like it, the taste is important, and then combine it with the texture. And think of it that you really like it. It needs to be simple and easy. So if you like something, I was just thinking, if you like something crunchy and you prepare it and it was crunchy when it came out the oven that very first day, most probably the crunch is not going to be there when you froze it and reheat it, or even if you have it a couple of days in the fridge, then after a while the consistency will be different. So there'll be other hacks where you can revive the crunch, but yeah, that's for another day. So we are at part number 3, and that is texture. So watch out for the texture.